So, hey y'all. So, like, I got started a little early and forgot to press record, so forgive me. But welcome to my intuitive kitchen. Well, we ain't got no rules around here. So, vibes are. I sorry, I already started picking up stuff, y'all. Forgive me. But let me show y'all what I started picking up. Y'all, I forgot to show y'all the process of me starting what I'm doing tonight. So, I decided to take some of these wide rice noodles, these wide vermicelli noodles. This is what they look like. And then I grabbed some Chinese style sausage, some rice vinegar, some mirin, some garlic, some teriyaki. But then I said, why don't we make a roasted red pepper garlic teriyaki sauce? I'm going for it. So, like, when I translated the instructions on the back, I seen where it said to wash these and put them in the bowl. So I'm gonna give them a rinse, I guess. All right, in they go to boil. You can't even see them. It says to cook them for 10 minutes. I love me some Chinese sausage, and yes, I like char on my meats. So mind your business. Ooh. So I'm just gonna take some of these and put them in. Oh, I forgot I had it on. I need to get some garlic. There's a clove of garlic. Bless it. Where's all the garlic in here? I'm over here trying to find more garlic. I don't know, guys. I guess there's only one piece. So I'm gonna put more garlic in there. All right, we got more garlic in the pan. I'm gonna put some more peppers too. Okay, let me add some teriyaki. Rice vinegar going in, not a lot. And some mirin for that extra sweetness. And I'm gonna just let this simmer a little bit. Mix it up real quick. I want these peppers to soak up all that flavor. Okay, this how we looking. Look like jellyfish. Okay, we finna put this in the blender now. I love this little blender. It's a Hamilton Beach, but baby, don't sleep. She gets it done. Okay. So in goes my peppers with all that flavor soaked in there. And I'll pour the juice in there in a minute. Just want to get this in here. With that nice little piece of garlic. I hope there really wasn't one piece of garlic in that thing. That's all I found, but I didn't look very, very hard. It's very nice. It smells very good. And I believe she's done, y'all. This baby, when I say she goes, she goes. I'm gonna do it just a little bit longer to make sure, for good measure. We're done. I am going to put my noodles back in this pan. Oh Lord, aren't they sticking? Okay. And I'm gonna put the sauce in here. I did not season this because there's a lot of flavor already going, and that teriyaki has salt. I feel like the peppers and garlic had salt. I'm adding my sausage and onions back in here. I feel like I made too much sauce, y'all. Oh, Lord, my bad. Okay, it's time for me to taste it. Ooh. Hold on. That's really good. Oh, let me get a noodle now. Wow, impressed. I don't want a whole noodle. I'm getting sauce everywhere, y'all. Just a little bite. That's all I want. Why is that so good? Okay, y'all, let's debrief. We have, first and foremost, that sauce has nuts. It has such a nice bite in it. Like that roast, the char comes through really nicely, and there is a, I don't want to use the word bitter, but there is such a nice bitterness in it that really goes well. And the noodles, they hold the sauce so nicely. This texture is perfectly bouncy but still holds nice firmness. And then you have the Chinese sausage, sweet, savory. I put a little crunch on mine for this period. And that garlic really comes through very nicely. And the medallion onions, very nice compliment. It slides through there with that sweet and savory. It's a very well balanced dish. It really is. Very, very well balanced. I mean, this is a robust sauce. There is so much flavor in this sauce, and I didn't do much at all. Like, oh my goodness. Do y'all understand? I added 0 seasonings to this. No, I didn't add not a thing. This is just the flavor of everything by itself. This is a good sauce. This would make a nice sauce for a lasagna, honestly. Another 10 out of 10.